Hi kids, welcome to the class. In this session we are going to deal with chapter 2 banking. We are going to do exercises from chapter 2. First of all, we have to by heart one equation. This chapter actually deals with maturity value, interest and rate of interest and the number of months. Okay. So what is maturity value? Maturity value means principal into time plus interest accumulated. So how can we find interest? So this is a formula and there is another formula for calculating interest. I is equal to P into n plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. This is another formula which we can use. So applying this formula here, we will get maturity value is equal to P into n plus P into n into n plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. R is the rate of interest. So this is the equation which you have to by heart for doing this whole exercise. Okay, so let's start with exercise 2A. First question. Manish opens a recurring deposit account with the Bank of Rajasthan and deposits rupees 600 per month for 20 months. Calculate the maturity value of this account if the bank pays interest at the rate of 10% per annum. So how can we find the maturity value? Here the question is to calculate the maturity value of this account. So first of all, we have to write everything which is given in the question. Principal is equal to 600, rupees 600. Time is equal to, or number of months is equal to 20 months. And rate is also given 10%. How can we find the maturity value? By using the formula. Maturity value is equal to P into N plus P into N into N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. This is how we can find. And substituting all the values here, 600 into 20 plus 600 into 20 into 20 plus 1, 21 into 10. That is the rate by 2 into 12 into 100. 2 3s are 6. Five times are 50 into 21, 1050. That is equal to rupees 13050 is the maturity value accumulated after 20 months at 10% rate. Okay. So this is how we are finding maturity value. Next question. Okay, next question. Miss Matthew opened a recurring deposit account in a certain bank and deposited rupees 640 per month for 4.5 years. Find the maturity value of this account if the bank pays interest at the rate of 12% per annum. Okay. Here, principal amount is equal to rupees 640. Miss Matthew opened a recurring deposit account and deposited rupees 640. Time is equal to 4.5 years. Okay. So this is given in years. So we have to convert it into months. How can we convert that? First of all, what is 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 into 12. Okay, calculating it with 12 or multiplying it with 12. So 2 6 are 12, 9 6 are 48 months. Next question. Miss Matthew opened a recurring deposit account in a certain bank and deposited rupees 640 per month for 4.5 years. Find the maturity value of this account if the bank pays interest at the rate of 12% per annum, per year. Okay, per annum is equal to per year. Here, the principal is rupees 640. P is equal to, question number 2, P is equal to rupees 640. Time is equal to 4.5 years. Find the maturity value. Rate is given as 12%. So, years, we have to convert years into months. So, when converting 9 by 2 into 12, by multiplying it with 12, we will get the answer. Okay. And 6 are 54. 54 months. Now we can use the formula for finding maturity value. P into N, 2 into 12 into 100. Substituting the value, 640 into 54 plus 640 into 54 into 55. 54 plus 1, 55 into the rate, 12 by 2 into 12 into 100. Cancelling this, we will get the answer. 640 into 54, 34560 60 plus 94504. Sorry, 9504. So adding this, we will get the answer 9504. So the maturity value is 44,064. So this is how we are finding maturity value. Now moving to the third question. Each of A and B opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. If A deposited rupees 1,200 per month for 3 years and B deposited rupees 1,500 per month for 2.5 years, find on maturity who will get more amount and by how much. The rate of interest paid by the bank is 10% per annum. Okay, so here first of all we have to find the maturity value of A and then have to find the maturity value of B, and we have to subtract the maturity value of B or A from the other one. Okay, first of all we have to write down all the values. A deposited rupees 1,200 per month for 3 years. So time is equal to 3 years, that is 3 into 12, which will become 36 months. And B deposited rupees 1,500 per month for 2.5 years. Okay, time is equal to 2.5 years into 12, 30 months. So time is for B is 30 months. Find on maturity who will get more amount and by how much. The rate is 10%. Okay, for both the rate is equal or the same, so that is 10%. We have to find the maturity value of both individually. Maturity value is equal to P into N plus P into N into N plus 1 into R, 2 into 12 into 100. 1,200 into 36 plus 1,200 into 36 into 37. 36 plus 1 will become 37 into the rate by 2 into 12 into 100. Cancelling this, we will get the answer. 1,200 into 36, 43200 plus, we have to multiply all this, plus 6675. Adding this, we will get the answer. So the maturity value of A is rupees 49,875 rupees. So this is the maturity value of A. Now we are going to find the maturity value of B by applying all the given values, given sums. Okay, P into N into, sorry, P into N plus P into N into N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. So principal is 1,500 into 30 months plus 1,500 into 30 into 31 into 10 by 2 into 12 into 100. 15 into 3, 45 plus. Now the third question. Each of A and B opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. If A deposited rupees 1,200 per month for 3 years and B deposited rupees 1,500 per month for 2.5 years, Find on maturity who will get more amount and by how much. The rate of interest paid by the bank is 10% per annum. Here we have to find the maturity value of A and B individually and have to find who gets more and who gets less. Okay. Interest paid by the bank is equal or same for both. First of all, A. Principal of A is rupees 1200. B. rupees 1500 per month for 2. Here A deposited for 3 years. Time is equal to 3. That is 3 into 12, 36 months. Rate is equal to 10%. Time for B is 2.5 years. That is, we have to convert it into months. 5 by 2 into 12. 30 months. Rate is 10%. First of all, we have to find the interest. Okay. Interest is equal to P into N. N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. 1200 into number is 36 into 36 plus 1. We can directly write that. Or you can add an extra step as well. Okay. 2 into 12 into 100. By cancelling, so we get the interest as rupees 6660. This is the interest. Now maturity value is equal to P into N plus I. Okay. By using this formula, we will get the answer 1200 into 36 plus the interest, which we have calculated, gives you the answer. So maturity value for A is 49860. Now we have to calculate the interest of B. I is equal to P into N, N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. 1500 into 30 into 31 into rate is 10 by 2 into 12 into 100. By cancelling, we will get the answer here as well. So by multiplying 25 into 15 into 31, we will get 11625 divided by 2. We will get 5812.5. So this is the interest. Now calculating the maturity value, P into N plus interest. 1500 into 30 plus 5812.5. The answer is 50812.5. 50812.5. This is the maturity value. So clearly B gets more. B gets more than A. 50812. And by how much we can subtract that a maturity value of B from maturity value of A from B. By subtracting this, we will get the answer. Answer for by how much is by 952.5 rupees. Now the fourth question. Ashish deposits a certain sum of money every month in a recurring deposit account for a period of 12 months. If the bank pays interest at a rate of 11% per annum and Ashish gets rupees 12,715 as maturity value of this account, what sum of money did he pay every month? So this is a variety question, which means they've given the maturity value, rate and the number of times, but the principal is not given here. In this type of question, principal is not given. We have to find what sum of money did he pay every month, which means we have to find the principal amount. So let's do this. Fourth question. Rate is equal to 11%. Time is equal to 12 months. We don't have to convert it since it is given already in months. Okay. Maturity value is given here 12,715. Here interest is not given and principal is also not given. First of all, we can find the interest. We can find both interest and principal by using just one formula. P into N plus P into N into N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. Okay. 12,715 is equal to, principal is not given, so P itself, P into 12 plus P into 12 into 13, 12 plus 1, 13, into rate 11 by 2 into 12 into 100. Here 12715, we have to substitute the value of maturity. We have to substitute maturity value here. Okay, 12p plus 13 into 11, 143. 13 into 11 p, that is 143p by 200. 2 into 100 gives you 200. Now we have to take the common LCM, which is 200. 200 into 12, 2400 plus 143p. 1275, then we have to add this 2400p plus 143p. 12715 into 2, 5 2 are 10. So 25430. 25430, double zeros, is equal to 2543p. This is what is called cross multiplication. Okay. Here again 254300 by 2543 here. Taking this down, that is equal to the value of p. So we will get the answer as rupees 1000. Principal is equal to 1000. So this is the answer of the fourth question. Now moving to the fifth question. A man has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 3.5 years. If the rate of interest is 12% per annum and the man gets rupees 10,206 on maturity, find the value of monthly installments. Value of monthly installments. Here also the same question, similar question as we have done before. We have to find the principal amount. Maturity is given here. Okay. Man has a recurring deposit. The time is given as 3.5 years. So we have to convert it into months. 7 by 2 into 12. 42 months. Okay. Rate of interest is given as 12%. 12% is the rate of interest. Rate of interest is 12%. Maturity value is equal to 10206. Here in this questions, we don't have to find the interest. Okay. We just have to find the principal amount. So maturity value is equal to, same as we have done in the fourth question, P into N plus P into N into N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. 10206. Applying or substituting the value of maturity value here. Principal is equal to not given into. Principal is not given, so P itself. Into 12, number of months is 42 plus P into 42 into 42 plus 1, 43 into the rate, which is 12 by 2 into 12 into 100. By multiplying, by cancelling. Okay. 903. 10206 is equal to 42p plus 43 into 21. 43 into 21, 903p by 100. Taking LCM, 100, 4200p plus 903p. 4200 plus 903. So 10206 is equal to 5103p by 100. Cross multiplication. 600 is equal to 5103p. 1020600 by 5103 is equal to p. 5103 into 2 gives you 10206. So 2s are. So principal is equal to rupees 200. So this is our fifth question's answer. Now moving to the sixth question. Puneet has a recurring deposit account in a Bank of Baroda and deposits rupees 140 per month for 4 years. If he gets rupees 1092 on maturity, find the rate of interest given by the bank. Here we have to find the rate of interest while principal is given, maturity is given or maturity value is given, and time is also given. We have to find the interest given by the bank. So fifth question. Principal is equal to rupees 140. Puneet has a recurring deposit account. Deposits rupees 140 per month for 4 years. Time is equal to 4 into 12. Since it is given in years, we have to convert it. 48 months. Okay. 48 months. If he gets maturity value is equal to 8092, find the rate of interest. This is so simple. Here we don't have to do anything else. We can just use this formula. Maturity value is equal to P into N plus I. Okay, since everything is given in other than interest. Maturity value is equal to 8092, that is equal to principal 140 into time, that is 48 plus the interest. 8092 is equal to 140 into 48 to inside 6720 plus interest. Taking this to the other side, it will become minus 6720, that is equal to interest. Now the sixth question. Puneet has a recurring deposit account in the Bank of Baroda and deposits rupees 140 per month for 4 years. If he gets rupees 1092 on maturity, find the rate of interest given by the bank. Here we have to find the rate of interest, not interest, but the rate of interest. Okay. So, sixth question. Sum is given. The principal amount is given. That is, principal is equal to rupees 140. Time is equal to 4 years. So, since it is given in years, we have to convert it into months. So, 48 months. Maturity value he gets on maturity is 8092. Find the rate of interest. Maturity value is equal to P into N plus P into N into N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. By using this formula, we can find the rate of interest. 140 into 48 plus 140 into 48 into 49, that is 48 plus 1, 49 into the rate. What is the rate? Not given, so R. 2 into 12 into 100. 12 4. By cancelling this, we will get the answer. 8092 is equal to 140 into 48, 6720. Now the sixth question. Puneet has a recurring deposit account in the Bank of Baroda and deposits rupees 140 per month for 4 years. If he get rupees 8092 on maturity, find the rate of interest given by the bank. We can easily find this out. First of all, we are asked to find the rate of interest. Okay, not the interest but the rate of interest. Maturity value is given 8092. That's the maturity value. Principal is 140 rupees, 140. Time is equal to 4 into 12. Since it is in years, we have to convert it into months. 48 months. And now we can find the rate of interest. First of all, we can find interest. Okay, amount of interest. Value of interest. Okay, maturity value is equal to P into N plus I. Maturity value 8092. Substituting the values here. 140 into 48 plus I. 8092 is equal to 140 into 48. $6720 plus I. Interest is equal to 8092 minus 6720. 1372 is the interest here. Now we can find the rate of interest. I is equal to P into N. N in plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100. 1372 is equal to principal. What's the principal here? 140 into. What's the number of time? 48 into 49. 48 plus 1 into rate is not given. 2 into 12 into 100. 12 4s are 48. 2 2s are 4. 5s are 10. 0 0 cancelling. So we get as 686R. 1372 is equal to 686 into the rate. That is 49 into 14, 686 into the rate by 5. There is a 5 here. Then cross multiplication. 1372 into 5 is equal to R. Taking this 686 here. So 686 2s are 1372. Rate is equal to 5 into 2, that is 10%. So the answer is 10% is the rate of interest.